Hi, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. Or just go down, you click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here, and this is window, you go down, then you click here on apps, and you come to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here, and this is window. We will just skip going, then we click here on Pinterest, and we come to app info, and this is window, you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Pinterest app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. You just go to Play Store and update your Pinterest app, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.